Hey guys, it is Thursday, June 11th at about noon. I have a painful thing right there. We went to yard sales today and got some cool shit. Also, my vacuum arrived, so I gotta go get that still. It's out in front. But I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got at the yard sales. See here, I got me another espresso machine. Hopefully this one works because, I have to take mine apart and see if I can clean it to get it to work again. Otherwise, I don't have one, so hopefully that one works well. I also got some spray paint. And, also this cute little Z and shininess that I'm gonna hang on the wall just because, you know, Zin and all that. But that's pretty much it for the stuff I got at the yard sale today. And I'm gonna go get my vacuum next. Okay, it's a little bit of a mess in here at the moment, but this thing here, the new vacuum is fantastic, actually, and also it already has a charge, which I didn't expect it to turn on right out of the box, but it did. So, yeah, and it works really well, actually, and it's so light, and it comes with the wall mounting thing, so I can mount it to the wall somewhere, wherever I have free space. Maybe over there. I might take down those posters. Or I'll probably put it in the back room, actually. It's safer in there. Because that's where most of the electronics in this studio is in the back room. Because that way they're safe from little particles of fur flying around. Because that's what happens quite often. There's a lot of fur that flies around this studio. So, but anyway, yeah. Also, I'm still on them about these. So we'll see. They said that they're going to get back to me about what they can do about it because they look awful. But so far I haven't heard anything. But we'll see. Hopefully they manage to fix it. Right now I gotta edit. I gotta edit a blog that I was working on yesterday because these Dropbox has been hecka slow for some reason. And I want to mount this guy somewhere because that's cool. I'm gonna put him somewhere, thinking maybe up there. I think it would look good up there, right there above the string for badges. Yeah, gotta mount that. I would just use a nail since it's easiest, and I have a couple. Then I'm gonna put this up because this fell off of my backpack and I still like it. That's Valor, I believe. Team Valor. That's what I am. Team Valor. Even though I don't play Pokemon Go very often anymore. But yeah, I gotta edit some vlog now. One other update thing. We pretty much have the pool mostly filled, but we had to turn it off because it's getting up to the holes for the filter and shit, and we don't have the filter installed yet. We gotta do that today probably, and then we can continue filling it so it's full. Otherwise, it's just really cold, but it's mostly clean, and I still gotta put like 6 bags of salt in it, I believe. That's what I was doing yesterday, was putting salt in the pool, and that's why my arms really hurt today. So that was like 200 pounds of salt that I put in there yesterday, so it does a little bit of wear on my arms, so I'm slightly sore, but probably better than a lot of people because I'm fairly strong, but because I do a lot of like weightlifting. But I'm not doing my weightlifting now because I'm lifting 200 pounds of salt. Otherwise I would be still. But since I've been lifting 200 pounds of salt, I haven't done my weightlifting for a few days, so I usually like to go every other day for weightlifting anyway, because that way it gives my arms some time to recoup and build more muscle. But I'm fairly strong anyway. So yeah, we were gonna do that and hopefully get the filter working. My roommate still hasn't gotten the power working, so we might have to use an extension cord for the filter and shit if he's not gonna do it anytime soon. Otherwise, we can continue we can continue filling it after that. We did put patches on the pool and they seem to be sticking pretty good, so I think we're out of the woods there, hopefully, because I wasn't sure the patches would even stick when we put them on the other day, just because they didn't seem to stick and the glue didn't seem to be working. But now they seem pretty on there, so hopefully we don't have any leaks yet, so hopefully that works. But until then, we can put in the filter and stuff, and then we should be good to go. And then I just have to wait for it to warm up before I can swim, because it's like ice right now. It's very cold, because, you know, water straight out of the hose gets really cold. So it should be like a week or so before hopefully it won't take too long to warm up. It's been fairly warm here, like 80s and above, so hopefully it won't take too long to warm up, because I really have an itch to swim. I've been wanting to swim so bad lately, so I can't wait. Okay, so I have the video exporting, so that might take a hot minute, and can't really use my computer while that's doing that, just because I'm afraid it's gonna lock up on me. It's gotten a lot better since I put more RAM in it, but I'm still not trusting it all that well. And I need Photoshop, and I don't think Photoshop and Photoshop and Premiere open at the same time would do well, because yeah, those programs are pretty heavy. Anyway, so while that's doing that, I do have some other computery crap to do, as far as, like, I have a decal to cut, which it requires my computer. I have a mask to print, which requires my computer. So for now, I think I'll see about hanging the mount for the new vacuum, and probably putting up that sparkly Z, and also the button, because I gotta do that too. And also I'm gonna gather up all the other crap here, because it's getting a little messy in the room. And this shouldn't take too long, I don't think. And yeah, so I'll clean some, and I'll hang some stuff, and I'll wait for this to done export. Once that's done, I can make the thumbnail and then proceed to post it, because I'm a little behind, but that's alright, because it's just vlogs and nobody watches these anyway. Except for maybe my girlfriend, she's the only one that watches these, so yeah, so I will do that stuff now. the espresso machine works, but for some ungodly reason it escaped me that you're supposed to put water in it. So it smells a little burnt in here right now. Because I turned it on before I realized you're supposed to put water in it. And I don't know why it escaped me, because you're supposed to put water in every coffee thing. But yeah, that's what happened. So now it smells a little burnt in here, but otherwise it works good. That's good. The little bit of espresso that I got out of it was good, and I drank it. Now I'm a little bit hyper, and I really shouldn't have drank that because it's past 2 o'clock too anyway. So normally I stop drinking caffeine at around 2 o'clock just because my insomnia will not like the fact that I drink caffeine past 2 o'clock, and I will probably be hyper the rest of the night, which is not a good thing, but what can you do? I wanted to try it, so it wasn't a lot, so it's probably not going to be so bad, hopefully. But anyway, I'm going to try to take apart my other one, because moving them I realized that my old one is heavy as hell, and so maybe I feel like it's a lot better quality, so I would hope I could get it working again. But until then, I have that one anyway, so I'll have some half-decent espresso, hopefully. And I'm going to work on the mask for a raffle winner now, and I still gotta cut that decal. I'm not so sure I can get that today since it's already about 3 o'clock, so we'll see. But I still gotta do pool stuff too, so who knows. So it's almost, oh, it's almost 4 o'clock, and I probably should do some pool stuff, but at the same time I don't think I've actually ate anything today, which is probably not a good thing. That might be why I'm feeling this weird jitteriness. It might be my sugar. What have I ate today? I don't think I've ate anything today. So, yeah. Oh, there's some chair stuck to my hand. Stupid chair. But yeah, so I probably better go get something to eat, because if I haven't ate anything at all today, which I don't think I have, I've only had caffeine, which might be why I'm so fucking hyper, because caffeine works a lot better when I haven't ate anything. But since it's like 4 o'clock, I figured I'm gonna go to work on the pool, instead of working on this. Well, I got a lot done today, so I can't really fault myself. I was going to cut that decal today, but I didn't. I'll do that tomorrow, I guess. But I probably better go get something to eat. Also, gotta work on the pool stuff, so I figured I might as well go see if I can attach the filter and all that crap and put the rest of the salt in, maybe. I don't know if I'll do that today, just because I'm still pretty sore from doing it yesterday. Look at this, Quentin! Look what you've done! There's feathers everywhere. Oh dear. Oh no. I'm not gonna be able to breathe tonight, am I? It's because of you, boy! Did you have to stir everything up? Why'd you have to stir everything up? Now I'm gonna be covered in fluffs. This is not pleasant. You brat. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, June 12th at about 9 o'clock. And also, I'm having an issue today. That is fucking painful. God, I hate acne. But anyway, after I successfully ripped myself apart, I got an email again from Sticker Mule this morning, and they said to peel the film. And I'm like, what film? There ain't no fucking film. Except apparently there is film. It's just very clear film, and it's like, that was not made obvious at all, and even in the slightest. But they look much better now. There it is. See, they look much better now. So I'm happy with these actually. But it would have been nice if they had made it more obvious that there was film on them, because it didn't look like film at all, and it took me a hot minute to actually get it to peel. So, you know, like Zap's Charms, their film is white, so it's obvious there's film on it. And so, yeah, they either need to send something that makes it, like, that tells you there's film on it, or make the film more obvious, like white or something, so. But at least there's that. That was, luckily fixed, so I'm much more pleased with them now that the film is off, so that's always good. So yay, sticker meal. But yeah, today it is about 9 o'clock, I think it was. Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock. So today I may take apart my old espresso machine. We'll have to see. But I got other shit to work on. I gotta finish the mask and cut a decal. Probably vacuum some more. I still haven't made the covers for the arms of the chair. I've been slacking pretty heavily on that, but I may do that. I don't know. We'll have to see. I gotta see if there's any yard sales today first, because it's Friday and they tend to go through like the weekend or whatever. So if there's yard sales, then I'll go to those. But so far, so good. So yeah, since the charms seem to be alright now, I can go ahead and design the backing cards and put all the, like, the ring and the strap on them, and then assemble them or whatever. And then I can get those listed finally on Etsy or Store Envy, or both probably. So I will leave a link in the description this time for them, because they should be done by then. And last time I said that, but I didn't because they were having issues, so. But it will be in the description this time. So if you want one of these charms, which I think they're adorable and you should get one, then yeah, go to the link in the description for my shop or whatever. So we just got back from yard sales, since there was a few. I got a cute little hugely fat jaybird. He's cute as heck though. He can go along with my other one. So I have another cute little jay over here. And I'm slowly acquiring a flock of jays. And then I got this, which is an absorbent coffee mat, it says. So I'm gonna put that under like my coffee machines in the back here. So yeah, and I also brought my espresso cups up from downstairs, so I'm going to make espresso. See, check out my cute little espresso cups. They are the cutest little tiny things. They have their own little saucer. Look how cute that is. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna die of cute coffee cups. So, there's another yard sale, so we're gonna go to that. But before that, I was stupid. And I opened the steam thing on the espresso machine, not realizing it was a steam thing. And I burnt my hand, and now my hand really hurts. God, I'm dumb. I suppose that's what I get for being stupid, but I hope it doesn't like really burn me, because it didn't feel that bad, but I don't know, it hurts now, so we'll have to see what it does. Look at my cute little jay friends. They're so cute. That one's fat. I love them. So we're back from the other yard sale. I didn't really get anything besides I did get a plaid mini backpack, which I thought was really cute. So I got that. And I forgot to say something though, but my girlfriend got me these cute ass watermelon earrings. Aren't they adorable? Like, oh my god. And they're wooden too, which is so nice, because normally dangly earrings I don't like because they're too heavy and they pull on my ears. But these are like feathers, so they're so cute. They go along well with the rest of my motif. Although my pink in my hair seems to be turning back to blonde. I might have to dye it again. I have more pink left over, so I might have to re-dye the pink. Because the green still seems alright. There's a little bit of blonde going on up there, but the pink seems to be turning mostly blonde. So I might have to re-dye that. This is incredibly painful. Oh. I'll put some medicine or something on it to try to get it to stop hurting so much. My hand has mostly stopped hurting from where I burned it. So maybe I got out of the woods. I got off easy with that one, just because if I didn't actually burn myself, I should be okay. Though the last time I burned myself on the oven, and that didn't turn out well. I still have the scar on my arm from when I did that. That was just weird because when I burned myself, a while after it was just sort of shiny, and I thought I was okay because I didn't touch it for long. But then the next day, my skin fell off. So hopefully the skin on my fingers don't fall off tomorrow, because that could be bad. Anyway, I'm gonna start peeling the film off of these charms. Of course, I gotta design the backing card for them first, I think, and then start printing those, and then I can peel them off and put the things on them and put them in the bag so they're safe from getting scuffed up, which is what I thought was the thing in the first place. But so yeah, I'm editing just the first part of the vlog right now. Okay, that's gone. I'm editing the first part of the vlog right now, and I'm going to save that for the time being. Mom's supposed to come out here and get an espresso because she wants one, and they're so good. But I haven't seen anything of her yet, so we'll see if she finally does come out. And I'll just work on the artwork and stuff for the backing things. I don't know what kind of design I want to do for them yet. Because, maybe something minimalist. Actually, I think I might have a design already that I could use. So I knew I was making, like, homemade type charms before. Didn't turn out well, but I tried. And I had a backing card design for that, so I might reuse that if it's half decent. So I'll have to look at it, but we'll see. It's espresso. I'm going to be hyper as hell. So instead of fucking working, I decided, since Mom came in here to get an espresso, I decided to try that tiny printer that we got from a yard sale. And apparently there's a fucking manufacturing flaw in it because the stupid ink cartridge won't come out. And I've tried every fucking thing to get it to come out, and it's supposed to just pop out, but it doesn't. And so they sold me a fucking ruined printer, practically, because it won't come out. Stupid manufacturer flaw. They can just have it back because I paid $20 for it, and like hell I'm gonna pay $20 for something that doesn't fucking work. I'll just keep my old one. My old one didn't have that stupid problem, so hopefully I can remember where I got that so I can take it back to their asses, because legitimately it's crap. Well, I should really be working instead of dicking with this thing, but it's slowly driving me mad. And I hate things that won't work like I want them to. It drives me up a fucking wall. So I figured maybe if I plug it into the computer, maybe the computer will have something to say about the problem. So I'm gonna try that. Because honestly, I really shouldn't be doing this because I got more important shit to do, but it's just $20 I fucking lost because these assholes never took the ink out of their godforsaken printer. Like, for fuck's sake. Sweet Jesus. I wish people would have some sense. New never works, my ass. It's because you never took the fucking ink out of it. Like, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a fucking lot. So I'm gonna dick with this for who knows how long, which I really shouldn't be, but yeah. That's the way I am. I got a vendetta now. A huge vendetta. Because mine still works fine, which, you know, I was probably gonna sell this one, but $20 down the fucking drain. Okay, I just gave up on those things because I really don't have time for this. And I've wasted like an hour fucking with these stupid printers, and shit just doesn't work anymore, I swear. The one used to work. I don't know how I got it to work, but it doesn't work anymore because maybe it was Windows 7, I don't know. But now it doesn't work, and the other one's got ink jammed. And it only works with an old camera, mind you. So I give the fuck up. I'm just gonna sell them for parts or whatever. The one works if you have an older camera. But I don't have an older camera. Not one that I actively use. So fuck it. I'll just sell them parts. The one works, so whatever. But I've legitimately got so over this. I am getting back to work now because fuck this shit. And something useful, and I'm just so angry. I hate technology anymore. I get entirely too flustered about shit I can't fix. It's because I'm always used to fixing everything. I usually can fix shit, which is why when I can't fix shit, I'm very, very angry, so. Anyway, back to actual work. Because it's 4 o'clock now, and I'm gonna be getting off soon. Probably stay till like 6 or better. Just today, just because I haven't done anything useful, so. Yeah, I want to get out my Cricut and finally cut that decal, because that's important.
Yeah, to make it kind of like a little pillow, so I'm going to not cut it exactly around, just enough to...
Okay, so now it's 5:20-ish, and I think I'm done for the day for the most part because I'm tired and my back hurts. So I'm probably done, and I need to go get something for lunch. So I only ate breakfast today, so I better eat something else. So anyway, yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I got some of the paper holder thingies, because I need more of those. I got some foamies, lots of foamies, and then they're ball. Got these adorable cups.